So students, we will continue with the lesson and the name of the lesson is The Merchant of Venice. So we will just discuss what we did. So we have seen in this lesson, Antonio was a very well known and a kind man in Venice. His friend Bosanio wanted to marry Portia. The person who would marry Portia had to choose one caskets from three. One suitor chose the gold casket, another suitor chose the silver one. Now, Bosanio borrowed money from Sherlock the Jew to go to Belmont. So we have seen till here. Now, in your textbook, come to page number 71. We'll continue from here. Sherlock had a lot of money. So since he was a money lender, he had lot of money. But he was not at all generous. Money was all that he cared for. So he gave importance for money. Who? Sherlock. He did not like Antonio because Antonio sometimes lent people money without charging any interest for it. So Sherlock was not liking Antonio. Why? Because Antonio also gave money for people, but he was not charging any interest. Now, what do you mean by generous? Generous, generous. See here. Generous means a person who has got some sympathy for others. Now, so Sherlock decided to take advantage of this situation. So what Sherlock was very clever. He thought of taking an advantage of this situation. He gave them the money on a strange condition. So Sherlock lended money to Antonio and Bassanio. But there was a condition. If Antonio failed to return the money within 3 months, Sherlock would cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh. Antonio agreed to this and borrowed the money for Bassanio. So see this. If Antonio failed, so Sherlock gave money to Antonio. But if Antonio failed to return the money within 3 months, then Sherlock would cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh. Now, flesh, it's one of a part of a body. He would cut. And how much he would cut? Of a pound. Antonio agreed to this and borrowed the money for Bassanio. So Antonio agreed to this condition and he borrowed money from Sherlock for Bassanio. Now what is pound? Pound is a unit for measuring a weight. Bassanio went to Belmont. When he saw the casket, he chose the lead. So Bassanio went to Belmont where he was supposed to get married with Portia and he selected the lead box, lead casket he selected. That was a right casket and Bassanio won Portia's hand by choosing it. Portia too was glad to marry Bassanio. So Portia was also very happy to get married to Bassanio. Bassanio went to Belmont. When he saw the casket, he chose the lead one. That was a right casket and Bassanio won Portia's hand by choosing it and finally Portia was glad to marry Bassanio. In the meanwhile, Sherlock heard that Antonio had lost his ship. So some news came that due to some strong wind or something, Antonio's ship was lost. Lost, it was totally destroyed. Some news came like that. He was very happy. Who was very happy? Sherlock was very happy that Antonio would not be able to pay the money, and Sherlock was happy because now he thought that Antonio would not able to pay his money. He took Antonio to court. So where they went to court and demanded that he fulfill the struggle and cruel condition. So they went to the court, and whatever condition was there, what was the condition? To take a pound of flesh from Antonio's body. The Duke liked Antonio and was sorry for him. But what could he do? Antonio had written a bond, so that bond was written, a agreement was made between Antonio and Sherlock, and Antonio was ready to cut a pound of his body. And according to the law, Sherlock was right. When Bassanio and Portia, when Bassanio When Bassanio and Portia heard all this, they rushed back to Venice. So who went to Venice? Bassanio and Portia. They went to Venice. Portia told Bassanio to pay Sherlock twice the amount to save Antonio, but Sherlock was adamant. Yeah, adamant means what? Impossible or unwillingly to change the decision. Who Portia did not want to change the decision. He demanded only a pound of Antonio's flesh. So only a pound of Antonio's flesh to be cut. Everyone in the court, including the Duke, felt that Sherlock's demand was inhuman, means it was not the right decision of Sherlock. The Duke asked Sherlock to show mercy towards Antonio, but Sherlock was not ready to do so. So everyone said in the court, show mercy to Antonio, but Sherlock was not ready to show mercy. He felt that Antonio and others had treated him badly before and he wanted a revenge. So, who wanted to take a revenge? Sherlock wanted to take a revenge. Just then, a young lawyer entered the court. He said that he would fight Antonio's case. He asked Antonio whether he had agreed to Sherlock's condition. Antonio said that he had agreed. So, who entered the court? A young lawyer entered the court. Then the young lawyer requested Sherlock to show mercy, though the law was on Sherlock's side. So, what the young lawyer requested Sherlock to show mercy. The lawyer pleaded with mercy. The lawyer pleaded with mercy is a quality of God Himself. So, what is mercy? Mercy is a quality of God. When a person shows mercy to someone else, they are both blessed. Mercy was more valuable than king's crown. So, what is important? Showing mercy, showing pity for others is very much important. The king's crown is not important, but what is important? Mercy is important. But all this had no effect on Sherlock. There was no effect on Sherlock. The young lawyer then said that the law allows Sherlock to take a pound of flesh. So what the young lawyer said, only you're supposed to take a pound of flesh. And he could do that. So lawyer said, okay, you can take a pound of flesh. At the same time, the lawyer warned that while cutting off the flesh, Sherlock should not shed even one drop of Antonio's blood. So, what the lawyer said, if you are cutting a pound of flesh from Antonio's body, but blood should not fall from his body. Also, he should cut exactly 1 pound of flesh, nothing less, nothing more. And you should cut only 1 pound of flesh. It should be nothing less, nothing more. Exactly 1 pound of flesh should be cut. That would not be allowed by the law. Sherlock realized that he could not do what the young lawyer asked him to do, and he accepted his defeat. So it was not possible to cut exactly a pound of flesh, And when you cut upon a flesh from your body, naturally the blood is going to fall from your body. So the young lawyer said, if you're cutting a pound of flesh, it should be exactly 1 pound and there should be no blood coming out from the body. Antonio's life was saved, and because of this reason, Antonio's life was saved. Who was the young lawyer? Bassanio and Antonio found out later that it was none other than Portia herself. So, who had dressed like a lawyer? Portia had dressed up like a lawyer and she had come to the court dressed as a young man. Later it was learned that Antonio's sheep was safe and so he had not in fact lost his money, and later on Antonio came to know that his sheep were safe and his money was not lost. Thus the story, which could have ended in a tragic manner, ended very happily. So the story which ended in a very happy way. Hope so, students, you have understood the lesson. Thank you, students.